Celebrating 60 years of excellence in the RV industry, Avida Motorhomes and Caravans continues to push the envelope with its latest creation, the Explorer LX. This asymmetrical camper van is designed to deliver unparalleled off-grid adventure capabilities while providing the luxurious comforts of a high-end mobile home. With its innovative features and rugged design, the Explorer LX is set to redefine the way we experience off-road travel. Built on the sturdy Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and equipped with all-wheel drive (AWD), the Explorer LX is engineered to tackle the toughest terrains, from the remote Australian outback to winding mountain roads. The van's modifications include a robust redesigned bumper, reinforced side rails, a powerful winch, and an optional lift kit, all of which enhance its off-road performance. Under the hood, the Explorer LX is powered by a two-stage turbo diesel engine that delivers 188 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque, providing the muscle needed to power through any rugged environment. Advanced safety features such as ABS, emergency braking, blind spot assist, and traffic sign recognition further improve the vehicle's capability, ensuring you stay safe and secure in all conditions. However, it's the Explorer LX's off-grid capabilities that truly set it apart. Equipped with 400 watts of roof-mounted solar panels, expandable to 800 watts, this camper van ensures you can stay off the grid for extended periods. Coupled with a 600 Ah battery bank and a 3,000-watt inverter, it provides an ample power supply to run appliances, lights, and devices. The 175-liter freshwater tank ensures a reliable water source for cooking, cleaning, and personal use, while the spacious roof rack offers plenty of room for carrying outdoor gear, making it perfect for long adventures in the wild. Inside, Avida's attention to detail shines through. The Explorer LX features an asymmetrical design that includes a flare on one side of the van, providing more space in the sleeping area. This unique design allows for a comfortable east-west sleeping arrangement, offering extra room for taller individuals and enhancing the overall livability of the van. Not only does this asymmetry make the van stand out, but it also serves a functional purpose, ensuring comfort on longer trips. The interior blends modern luxury with natural elements, incorporating wood finishes and semi-precious metals to create a warm, welcoming environment. The cab area seamlessly integrates with the living space, where the driver and passenger seats swivel to connect with the dinette, enhancing the social aspect of the van's layout. The kitchen, strategically placed next to a sliding side door, opens up to scenic views, making meal prep a breeze while soaking in the surrounding beauty. For those who need to freshen up after a day of adventure, a wet bath provides the perfect solution, ensuring you stay clean and comfortable. With a price tag of around 220,000 AUD, approximately $136,000 USD, the Explorer LX presents exceptional value for money, especially when compared to similar AWD Sprinter conversions in North America and Europe. Given the extensive off-grid features, advanced safety systems, and luxurious design, the Explorer LX is a standout choice for adventure enthusiasts seeking a camper van that offers both comfort and rugged performance. The Explorer LX is a true testament to Avida's commitment to innovation and quality, combining cutting-edge design with practical off-road capabilities. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or exploring remote wilderness, the Explorer LX is built to handle it all, making it the ultimate off-grid adventure vehicle.